Is this working? Alright, anyways, peeps. Today I'm gonna be voicing Airplane Simulator. Well, this. Okay, well, it already. Wait, no. Wait, so I'm gonna do the voice line after this. Feel free to explore the airplane. Alright, Captain. Whatever you say. Restroom. This is like the other airplane. Wait. Oh, yeah, this is the same brand airplane, anyways. We have, like a kitchen, I think. H8. You have restrooms. Oh, now please find your seats, as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. All right, let's get back. 5, 4. We'll be arriving in about 1 second. Hmm, watching a video. Ah, thank you for your cooperation. Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. Oh boy, a snack! Jesus starts praying. Hello, everyone. We're the crew members. We'll be delivering delicious sandwiches. Anyone? In Jesus' name, amen. Yummy. What? You already passed me. How come no one gets first class? Oh no, car builder. Wait, I'm not feeling very well. Wait, this sandwich has mayo? I'm allergic to mayo! Oh no, you gotta find this boy's medicine bag. Oh no! Quickly, we need to find and Car Builders 100's his package of medicine. Look at the package storage is above you. Oh, look, it's right here. It's right here. I found it! Phew, that was a close one. Alright, good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you we have reached a stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back and take a nap and enjoy the ride. Are we Australia? Are we at Australia yet? Oh no. What is it? Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. You still have a few hours to go. I need a pee. Whoa, 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 whoa. It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. No, I need to pee. Guys, look! What is that on the right wing? All stick together. You will not survive. Wait, are those snakes? Ah, snakes. Snakes. Oh no. I'm gonna stay on my chair. This is at your first class. Guys, there's an open restroom. Quickly. You'll be safe in there. Ba-da-boo! Well, this restroom is big. Oh, guys. I needed to. I need to pee. I need to pee. Privacy. Privacy, please. That was scary. Should we discuss what was happening? Uh, I think I am genuinely scared. Ah. Oh boy. Uh, uh, wait, where's everyone? Power is back up. I still have my tag for some reason. And the snakes are gone. Thank God. The creature on the wing is also gone. Also creepy. Help. Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. Wait, did the other guy just disappear? The good news is the power is back up. The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Oxygen mask will drop from your seats. Take one, quick. Ah, give me oxygen. I could breathe inside my mask. This mask will keep you safe until the stabilize oxygen levels. Oh no. All my friends are dead. Oh my. Oh my, what is this? It looks like a bomb. Oh no. What are we going to do? Okay, everyone. Calm down. If I find something sharp to cut the cables with, we might be able to save myself. Let's go. I found a pair of scissors. How come these are too convenient? Which cable should I cut? Red. I will cut the red cable. Oh no, it's gonna explode. He didn't make it. We have to keep going if we want to survive. Well, if I want to survive. Who am I? I am having existential crisis. Ah! We haven't heard of the crew in a while. I should look for them and check if everything's okay. Crew? The captain's door ain't open. Where should I go? Like, I haven't made through this part yet, so. Crew? Found an emergency. 7512? What? What is this info? The captain's door? I want to sit in my seat. What do I do? Wait. It's not like, no. Car Builder 100s, Fat Cats, or 20s luggage. What is this? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? I have no idea what to do. Do I tap on this? Do I tap on that? I still have my ticket thing on where I sit. Okay, I'm going to try and sit, see what happens. No, it doesn't look like anything happened. No, I'm making a video. Ah, this might be more extended. Oh no. They're unconscious. The captain. Quickly get to the captain's room. 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 It's locked. Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. Captain might be inside. This door needs a code. Find it, we might be able to open it. Hurry up. I'm pretty sure I found a code like that says yes, 7512. I found the code. Well, peeps, this is whew. Ah, it's the creature. I'm gonna run until it's done. You will pay for what you've done. I'm gonna die, aren't I? I'm gonna die. You think you are here on accident, but you're not. I am here on purpose. I scheduled a business trip. I brought you here. All of you. Well, just me right now. That is not possible. I planned this business trip. Unless you're my manager. It is. And now, it's time to die. Probably gonna sit in my seat. Stay calm, everyone, stay calm. See you in the afterlife. Huh, I'm not dead yet. Haha, I did this before. The captain's unconscious. Ah, my manager rigged the trick. The plane is falling. What are we going to do? It's weird because I'm the only one here. We need to find the autopilot button. I guess there's click everything. And before we die. Boom, 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 boom. No, no. I found the button. Yes. We did it. I did it. I saved the plane by myself. It's been a very crazy flight. I just want to be home already. I think I might take a boat back. Now all I need to do is find the emergency phone so I could call for help. And I remember where that emergency phone was so the crew members. Look, it's the emergency phone. Do 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 do. Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry, we'll get you home in no time. Is everyone okay? No. Yes, we are okay. Autopilot mode is on. Wait. Okay. We've traced your location and we are taking control. There's one last task I have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. Find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat aside the captain. Oof. I guess I'll do it. I'm the only one here. Whew. I have it on speaker. Okay, okay. I got this. Oh no, is that creature guy? Oh no. It is back. I feel like I'm gonna die. You humans are funny. Your destiny has already been written. Last chance, Patim. Crash this plane and we'll rule the underworld for eternity. Will you crash the plane? Oh no, I won't crash the plane. I'm not doing it. I'm saving this plane. These planes are expensive. You humans are so weak. This is not the last time you see me. It's gone. Wait, he said it was not the last time we see him. What did he mean? Who cares? Let's get back home now. I'm about to throw up. Redirecting plane. And peeps, well, that's it. That was a pretty good story. My first playthrough was successful. And I did a voice acting of it. So, it's pretty cool. If you want to visit by Poncho Kings, it's called Airplane Story. Just in case you want to play it. It's pretty cool. I'd have to say. Well, anyways. Bye-bye, peeps. See you in a million years.